Hello. We all know what a HARDI sprayer, when it's assembled, looks like. We have a series of shows where we would like to take you in behind the scenes and show you how we make the HARDI sprayer. We will start this episode with the pump. The pump was the component that started the HARDI company many years ago, and the pump is the heart of the sprayer. So we start here. The main raw material of the HARDI pump is cast iron and steel. This steel rod for the pump shaft is long, as it will be splined at both ends. The high quality cast iron components come from foundries in Denmark, and they follow the European 1561 and 1563 standards. Here we see the 6 connecting rods, which will later be cut from one another, and one of the valve covers. There are 6 of these, and they will be placed here on the crankcase at final assembly. Most milling is done by computer numerically controlled machinery. These CNC machines execute pre-programmed sequences to ensure high quality. The CNC machine also lathes the pump shaft. Tolerances here can be as low as 23 microns, and even temperature changes in the production area can influence the final result. Although the CNC machine does most of the work, the final touch comes from the operator. These 6-splined through-going shafts are now ready for pump assembly. Here we see the connecting rods that are already cut and the bottom part milled. The bearing will be located here to push the connecting rods up and down. The top needs to be milled, drilled and threaded, so it ends up looking like this. The cast iron crankcase has just come from the CNC machine, and now the operator is doing the final finish. The parts are moved to the pump assembly area, where they are assembled, lubricated and then painted. During the assembly process, the operator is constantly checking that everything is running smoothly. Once the bearing is in place, the operator will then complete the assembly by bolting the end cover to the crankcase. The pump is now ready for the diaphragm, valves and valve cover. We start by pre-lubricating the base of the diaphragm. Once the synthetic diaphragm is in place, the stainless steel plate and bolt are fitted. The bolt is tightened to a specified torque setting. The 2 valves and cover are now fitted. The 4 bolts are also tightened to a specified torque setting. That's 1 down and 5 to go. Once the pump is assembled, it then passes to a spray booth. The enamel paint coating helps prevent external corrosion. When done, they pass to a drying cabinet. The pumps now leave the assembly area and they are ready for use. The pumps that go into our sprayer production end up in sub-assembly areas. This platform module is for a commander trailed sprayer. The platform module is fitted to the chassis and the hoses and cables are connected. All the parts are now working together. The rotating shaft moves the connecting rods up and down. and the diaphragm and valves move the liquid from the suction side to the pressure side. As end user of the pump, this is what you see on the outside, but now you know how all these parts come together and what goes on inside. Now you've seen how we make the HARDI pump. Stay tuned for the next episode where we will show you another component in our production.